adjustable dumbbells have become a cornerstone of compact home gyms, offering a space-efficient solution that combines multiple weights into a single pair. They enable progressive overload across a full-body program without clutter or the need for multiple standalone sets. For this review, I evaluated 5 beginner to mid-range adjustable dumbbell offerings across a price spectrum from budget to premium. Product number 1. Fairden Adjustable Dumbbells. Fairden presents a versatile 5-in-1 concept with multiple weight increments, 20, 30, 40, 45, 70, 90 pounds per dumbbell, and an integrated connector system enabling barbell, kettlebell, push-up stand, and standard weight plate configurations. The set is marketed as a compact home gym solution, and the price point, around $84.99, positions it as a budget-friendly option. The build appears to emphasize a modular approach with a shared handle assembly and interchangeability across modes, which is attractive for space-constrained buyers who want broad functionality without purchasing separate specialty gear. In practice, the Fairden set offers surprising versatility for the price, but the trade-offs show in weight transition and grip feel. While the plastic construction lacks quality assurance, the handle texture is comfortable, weights securely lock, and conversion between modes is fairly swift, providing solid value for budget-conscious fitness enthusiasts. Product number 2. Kepi Adjustable Dumbbell Set, 25-pound, 40-pound, 55-pound, 60-pound. Kepi offers a mid to high range adjustable dumbbell set with 25, 40, 55, 60-pound options and an emphasis on anti-slip metal handles and fast adjust mechanisms. Positioned at $169.99, it targets users seeking quicker transitions during workouts while maintaining solid grip and a compact form factor. The product highlights likely include a robust dial or knob system and a metal construction aimed at durability and consistent weight changes across sessions. Performance-wise, this model should excel in time-saving transitions during circuits and strength programs, thanks to its fast adjusted design and secure feel in the hand. The anti-slip grip is beneficial during sweaty sessions, and the chosen weight steps allow for progressive overload in upper. Product number 3, 25, 55-pound adjustable dumbbell set. This set offers 25, 55-pound weight options with an emphasis on anti-slip metal handles, aiming to combine comfort with a straightforward adjustment routine. The dual weight configuration provides a lighter and a significantly heavier option per dumbbell, which is helpful for mixed programming in a single device. The price at $169.79 falls squarely in the mid-range and is indicative of a focus on build quality and ease of use, rather than an expansive weight range. In use, the proximity of the two weight options may suit people who rotate between isolation work and heavier compound movements without needing a large number of intermediate steps. However, the extreme jump from 25 to 55 pounds might limit micro-load progression, potentially requiring a secondary adjustable dumbbell. Product number 4. Adjustable Dumbbell Set, 12.5 pounds / 22.5 pounds pair. This pair emphasizes ultra-quick 1-second weight changes with a 5 weights per dumbbell system, 12.5 / 22.5 pounds per side, and a premium feel non-slip metal handle, accompanied by a dedicated tray for organized storage. Priced at $189.99, it targets users who want a premium user experience, smoother operation, and a neat storage solution, typically implying higher build quality and better finish than lower-cost rivals. Performance-wise, the 1-second adjustment and tray suggest a focus on user convenience and cleanliness, with a potential presence of a robust locking mechanism to ensure secure plates during dynamic movements. The smaller weight increments are advantageous for precise progression, mobility work, and routine variety. Product number 5. Adjustable dumbbell set. This budget-conscious 4-in-1 option markets itself with a broad weight range: 20, 35, 45, 55, 70, 90 pounds, and a focus on modularity, enabling kettlebell, barbell, push-up stand, and general free weight use. The price point of $69.98 positions it as an entry-level choice, appealing to new buyers who want a diverse toolkit without a large upfront investment. The upgraded nut note suggests a stronger grip on plates or a refined locking system, which could translate into better stability compared to other budget models. In practice, the set's broad weight steps are appealing for families or multi-user homes where different strength levels exist. However, the low price often comes with compromises in materials, fit, and longevity. Expect some play between plates, more maintenance to ensure the locking system remains secure,